Today I found myself deciding LSD run or speed training. And then I realized why choose? Why not train with friends who excel at both?
Hello.
Hello. Ilang kaya na?
10.
Sila 10.
Si Hana 2. Si Hana 2 pero pangatlong workout na niya.
2 laps of 21.
2 for today.
For today.
Hana!
Yan ang sigaw mo? Paano ka tama nilinig? Ay, nakabidyo pala.
Nakabidyo ako.
Hi guys. Welcome to my guys. Yan. Ay, not sponsored.
That's Sakwan mo.
Cheers.
Buti pa sila. Nakakapahinga na. Pento ko.
Meanwhile,